Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now, Prime Minister of Canada, Mark Carney, has praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi, calling him a unique leader with an extraordinary work ethic. Carney said that Modi has not taken a single day off in the last 25 years and is constantly on the move, even campaigning during weekends. Sharing a personal insight, he added that Prime Minister Modi once gave him a hack at a personal level, saying the Prime Minister remains deeply focused on delivery and getting things done. Let's go across to my colleague Pragya, joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, interesting comments there coming in from Canadian Prime Minister for Prime Minister Modi. He says this guy is unique.
Absolutely, and this is an endorsement of the foreign policies, of Modi government. We never shared very good relationship with Canada in past few years, but look at Prime Minister Carney. He is endorsing Prime Minister's work ethics, and not just that, also the work culture. The kind of qualities that he also spoke about Prime Minister, that Prime Minister might be up here at the global level, but he's bringing all the back down to the people, those who are on the street, to the rural population. He also praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi for bringing hundreds of millions of people to the formal, financial sector. So all of that has been also praised, irrespective what the opposition says in the country. The endorsement is coming right from those at the head of the states of various countries. And in fact, opposition might be blaming and accusing Prime Minister and this particular government of a failure of foreign policies. But look at the state of heads speaking about Prime Minister Modi and his policies and what it has done to India. In fact, this is also one of the greatest, the bilateral talks that we had in Canada in past few years. And to say that Prime Minister Narendra Modi also and never had a day off in 25 years. And in fact, there was also a Canadian finance minister who was sitting in the audience, Francois Philippe, and he pointed to him that, he goes there out every weekend and his rallies draw 250,000 people, whereas his Canadian finance ministry's rallies drew only 25. This is also, a sort of comparison of the popularity of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the country. And it, the endorsement, if that comes from the head of the state, it does mean that we are on the path of improving relationship and also achieving the stature on the world stage, where we need to sit among the top economies and of the top world powers. And this also shows a lot about the foreign policy.
All right, Pragya, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us and putting things in perspective for our viewers. With this, we will slip into another very, very short break. Coming back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.